Hi, welcome to our Blackboard page. So I want to go over the Blackboard page with you and so that we can talk about some things that are important. The first thing is on the left-hand side, you should have an institution page. And this institution page is important because it has some important things for you to use. For example, you can get to My TU, records and registration, calendar, and very important for any of you in the 400 level classes, the Cook Library. So this is a faculty page, so it's going to look slightly different than your page, but I want you to realize there's very important items on this institution page. The next thing I want to show you is the calendar, and the calendar shows all the assignments that your instructors have if they're using Blackboard to collect your assignments. So when you click on calendar, you're going to see your courses. I always look at the month. Let's go to September. One of the things that will happen is all of your due dates are going to appear based on your colors that are assigned to your classes. So your class here is blue. That's not blue. This is not your class. But you're going to see, like, this is my women's health course. This is your course. And your course is not completely in here, so not all of your due dates are here. But I wanted to show you what it looked like so you could see. So let's go back to summer and look at some of those due dates. This is my summer schedule. It shows what's due in the 3 classes that I'm teaching. And this color is the university's classes that run. So I just want to show you this because it's a really helpful tool to help keep you organized and help you manage your time. Some people just look at it like this. Some people download it. Some people um, uh, just copy it into a planner. So this is another way to look at it if you just want to look at due dates, and it shows you what's due for you in each of the days. Again, personally, I like the calendar the best, but you need to choose whichever one works for you. If you click on the grades item here, you'll be able to see all your grades in all your classes. And then the most important one that we're going to talk about now is this course link. So when you go to your courses, this is the new look for Ultra, but it's not fully Ultra yet. Instructors are all learning how to convert the courses to Blackboard Ultra. But for now, the way you find your courses is you can change this item. You can change it to what's coming up. You can change it to semesters. I usually keep it on current courses. Then what will happen is your courses are just going to be random. But what I do is I star the ones that I want to appear at the top of my list. And so that's another thing you can do is you can star the courses. There's a lot of courses here from the summer and some other items that I'm working on for your class. But this is your class right here. And as you notice, I've combined the 2 and 330 class together into one Blackboard page because that way you can interact with each other. So when you open the page, it will always go to announcements and you will see announcements. There's a lot of announcements here that you do not see initially, but these are the announcements that I see. I'm going to go to student mode. So for example, when you go to announcements, you'll only see 3 things right now. It says in the announcements that the first thing you should do is to go to the information section. This, if we meet online, we'll go to Collaborate Ultra. The Zoom meeting is in case Collaborate's down, but we're usually going to stay within Blackboard. Here's your syllabus. This is not your syllabus yet because I have not uploaded it, but your syllabus will be here. This tells you how to use File Exchange to post your minutes that you have to keep in the class. And here are a list of services that the university provides for you. So that's the information section. It then says go to content, and I just want to show you how the course is set up. I'm getting out of settings now, out of preview, I mean. So I will open this up for you so you can see it. Right now it says it's hidden. But all of your units are set up the same way. You have the unit, which is the name of the unit. It tells you the purpose of the unit and what you're going to do in the unit. And it tells you everything that will be collected or graded in this unit. So this is very important. This is another way to help you keep track of what's going on. When you click on the introduction unit, you will see everything you need to do in this unit in the order in which you need to do it. So the very first thing is a pre-class assignment, which helps me get you into groups with common meeting times, so you don't have to worry about how you're going to meet. And then you have lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, lesson 6. This is the timeline you're going to use for class, and then your tests will always be at the bottom. There's 3 different tests here. You only take 1. They're just there for ease for me. So when you look at your syllabus, you're going to see that we only go over Unit 2 and Lesson 2 and Lesson 3 in class. Everything else, this is a hybrid class. It's flipped so that you do some things at home. All these other lessons you will do on your own. And again, this is set up the same way. When you open Lesson 1 unit, it tells you to watch these videos, which I'm in the process of changing. The discussion post, it tells you how to attach an image for yourself and the due date. The pre-test that you have to take in order to complete this assignment. It's recommended that you complete the pre-test by 8:31 because this is due on 9/4. And it requires some use of this assignment that you do here. So again, everything is in order. Everything in this class is due at 9 p.m. except for that very first assignment. Your pre-class assignment is due at 3 p.m. so that I can start working on your groups. So I just wanted to show you the layout of the class, each unit, again, what's going on in the unit, assignments, and again, when you open the unit, it's exactly what you need in the order in which you need to do it. So hopefully this helps you maneuver through our course. One other item I want to talk to you about is this thing called Health Fair Group Share Drive. This is where you're going to be posting your minutes, and when you get to posting minutes, there are directions that will appear on how to post your minutes in the share drive. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you have questions as we're going through the semester, always come back and watch this. Or if you watch it and you still can't find an answer, feel free to ask. Take care, and I'll see you in class.